Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
On particularly, of course, some have been passed regarding waste management. That is coming in slowly. But in terms of maintaining of water bodies and such other things, there may be need. So we are also asked DMA to look at it. Where a river passes through a municipal area, what is the responsibility? There may not be something in writing. Okay. Now, as you know, in terms of wells, biojasa, the wells now are getting revived partly because of the WRD scheme or Ditorbain. Under that scheme and the grant that is being given to the well owner, these private and public wells are getting slowly activated through registration. So, since we are on the matter of rivers, that's why we have requested DMA.
तार न्हंयत डेब्री आणि बाकीचो कोयर मोठ्या प्रमाणात डंप करतात म्हणून DSS आणि अर्बन हेल्थ सेंटराक कळीत केला.
One of the purpose of having this inspection today is also to get some feedback from the department as to what changes need to be made. These are of course what government department should do. One of the things we want from you is in what way consumers can change their behavior. There are various things.
6 महिन्या भितर खंय रिव्हर इकोसिस्टमीचो सांबाळ करूंक वी केअर गोवा मोहीम सुरू जातली.
The other thing is that in the next 6 months, to take it forward, we have launched a specific campaign. It's called We Care Goa, voluntary consumer action for river ecosystems.
गणपती विसर्जनाच्या वेळारूय खंय कोयर जावंक जायना.
So we need to give a solution to the people over here. Since this is the Visarjan point, where during festival, like during Chaturthi, there will be many flower waste which would be generated over here. So instead of prohibiting them, we can, keep one dustbin that can be collected separately. Flower waste.
Very focused on that.
Only on flower waste. Only focusing on flower waste. You can keep one dustbin where flower waste can be collected separately.
Okay.
Regarding dumping, we can put a barricades over there so that people cannot dump directly from the road over there.
म्हापशा बस्तोडा रस्त्याक आनी घरांनी बुट्टी मारल्या उपरांत मुख्यमंत्री आमदार ब्रेस्तारा इन्स्पेक्शनाक गेल्ले तेन्ना तार न्हंय हुस्पुपाचो विशय आयिल्लो. तार न्हंय हुस्पिल्यार खंय म्हापशे वाठारांतले बुट्टेक उपाय येता. बुट्टे उपरांत इन्स्पेक्शनां सुरू. प्रुडंटा खातीर श्यामसुंदर फडते.